Hey, good evening everybody. Today we're going to inflate a football. So you need this football, you're going to need an air pump like this one here, and then you're going to have the needle on the end in order to be successful. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to, right here where the needle goes, we're going to add some spit. Got to have some spit on there if you're going to do this correctly. So you spit on your finger and then just kind of rub it around a little bit. Alright, now we're ready for the needle. Alright, so we're going to take the needle and we are going to insert it into the football like so that we can begin the inflation process. Alright, so we're done with that. Now we get our pump and we are going to inflate the football. We're going to inflate it until it's approximately 9-10 pounds. Should be sufficient. Alright, once we're done pumping, we take it out, and then here we are, a properly inflated football. And then once you got your football inflated, you can toss it out to your friends and see if they want to play. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Anyway, thanks for watching.